back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be a part-time position helping organize resources for students. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button if you're interested in more part-time positions. Of course, share with all your friends and family if you know someone who could benefit from this. But the company is App Academy. Now, they have 145 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor. So as always, please do your own research on any company before giving them your personal information. But out of those 145 reviews, they do have a very high rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars as far as their employee satisfaction rating goes. They're hiring a student resource coordinator. Now, this is remote, part-time. So, App Academy is building a world-class training programs that help students from all backgrounds transition into careers in software development. They said they've been profiled in the Wall Street Journal, Washington Post, but they are just helping people learn those software development skills to have a career in that area. They're looking for somebody to work and facilitate in their administrative and behavioral side of the student experience, taking all responsibility for supporting all active instruction and team members that are holding students in their expectations. So you're going to be organizing basically student resources. You're also going to be helping students with anything they need. This is 100% remote, part-time position. You're going to assist all active App Academy users with their online cohorts by helping them with deferral conversations and requests for deferrals, dismissal conversations, so if they're wanting to leave, someone who has violated the code of conduct, someone who is looking for specific accommodations. You might help coach the students on behaviors and how to act, and the actual academic policy and the expectations that are being set. You're also going to help analyze reports and report on student decision state dates, like when students decided to enroll, when they decided to defer their enrollment, when they decided to leave or dismiss their enrollments, any withdrawals or graduations if they finished the program. You're also going to report on any student feedback. Best part about this position is while they say it is nice to have a degree in education, it is not required. What is required is that you have some kind of previous experience in some kind of education or community management. So it doesn't have to be in the education space if you've managed some kind of community. Someone who has great communication skills and great presentation and public speaking skills. That is it. Best part about this job is the pay. They're paying anywhere from $30 to $40 an hour for this part-time position. Now, because it is a part-time position, it does not come with any benefits. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget to let me know if you're interested in more part-time jobs by giving this video a thumbs up like button if you haven't already. Share with all your friends and family. Don't forget, you can always leave anything in the comments below that you are looking for, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.